Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys brightness setting Samsung mobile, and today video title is guys how to enable adaptive brightness in Samsung phones. Friends, you want to enable guys, you want to use guys your phone adaptive brightness settings. So how can you use it and how can you enable to the guys? I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So first of all guys, we will on guys our phone setting guys. So we will on it. After on phone setting, I scroll it and click on phone display and brightness setting. I tap here and again scroll. You can see guys your active brightness guys you want to use. So guys you can use means you can enable on the right side icon. After enable guys your brightness will decrease because guys active brightness is enabled. After a minute when you will go outside, when you will come inside guys, your phone brightness will increase automatic, then guys it will decrease automatic after enable adaptive brightness mode. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to enable adaptive brightness in Samsung mobile and how to use. So bye guys.